Right, so tonight we are at the Premier Inn in Bognor, Regis. So let's see what this is like. So we are in room no. 6. Let's knock on the door.
Not today,
Hello,
love, thank you.
Look who's behind the door.
Not for long. Right, we're off.
Oh wow, this is looking really nice. Goodbye. This is looking lovely, guys. Look at this. Wow. Wow, where do we start? So, got the thing in case of fire. And, yeah. I've let reception know I'd like to keep my room clean. Do not disturb. So we've got to put the card in for the electric. We've got a heater there. So we've got plugs there. Got a nice mirror. Ooh, look at that. Wow, how good is that? Got a hairdryer. A tall fan. Love that mirror. It's nice. And then a drawer down there. In here, that's where you can find your wardrobe. Okay then, so in here, that's where you've got like your side unit. You've got lights either side, can be operated. You've got LEDs, how nice is that? And then you've got the spotlights for up there. So let me just try out. 1 second. Oh, hello Ben.
I left my keys.
You've left your what?
Keys.
Ben's forgotten his keys, so he can't get in his car.
Can't go in my car.
Oh. Right then, so, doesn't that look lovely? Okay then, so, we're on over here. Again, you've got lights that could be operated from there. And then you've got another single bed. So, just looking out to, what are we looking out to? We are looking out to, you can't see much because we've only just arrived. But that's looking out to the car park. Very nice. So over here, just a note to say, oh, we've got biscuits as well, guys. Bourbon creams, digestives, and custard creams. Welcome to Bognor Regis. We hope you have a lovely stay. If you need anything, please see reception from Premier Inn. That's really nice, that is. We have the light that turns on. And that will turn on from... I'm having a granny poke moment again, as Lee would say. There we go. There's your light. Got more plugs there. And then it says, welcome to Premier Inn, Bognor Regis. Welcome to your room here. We hope you have a really enjoyable stay. Unfortunately, we do not have air conditioning. Our windows do open slightly, and all our rooms have fans. If you still have the rooms too warm, then please ask reception for a sheet instead of using the duvet. Housekeeping will not enter your room unless you request them to do so. Should you wish your room service, please let reception know by midday. So if you're wanting breakfast, breakfast is served on the following days. Monday to Friday between 7 and 9. Last sitting 8:45 to 9. Saturday and Sunday 8 till 10 p.m. Last sitting 8:45. All guests are required to have breakfast prepaid at reception and a table booked. To book a table for breakfast, please see reception. That's looking good. Right then, what else we got? Cups. Wow. Wow, they're looking really good. Let's do the kettle test. Absolutely spotless. Really good. And we also in here have glasses. Excellent. So, yeah. Okay then, so even though it says it doesn't have air conditioning, it does have a what's name, so you can set viewing temperature. Let's have a look now in the bathroom. Wow, very spacious. So let's see. Very nice. Got a bath, but was aware about that. And yeah. Again, that's a better shower. That is a better shower head than the one that we had last night at the Radisson. Or should I say Ramada? I do apologise. That's a better shower head than we had last night at the Ramada. That is much better. They use Baileys and Hoarding here. Got white tea and neroli. That's really nice. And it feels full up as well. And that one is luxury hand wash. Again with the same kind of make. Got a nice handrail there. And yeah, can't see any faults at all. The room really does look really nice, and it's giving like a really tranquil sort of feel. I'm really looking forward to staying in this room tonight. Let's go and look at the rest of the hotel. Okay then, so if you're wanting breakfast is unlimited from £10.99. Unlimited continental is £8.99. So on your cooked breakfast, you're looking at bacon, sausages, corn sausages, hash browns, black pudding, mushrooms, tomatoes, beans, bubble and squeak. On your continentals, croissants, pan of chocolate, blueberry muffins, bagels, and your preservatives, and then your fruits and your yogurts, unlimited teas and coffees. That's looking like really nice. Staying at Premier Inn means you're welcomed to a hotel where everyone is kind and considerate towards one another. Must admit, we have stayed at a few Premier Inns now and we have really enjoyed them, so yeah,